To create circle stickers in Canva, I want to come over to my custom size here, and I will leave my unit in pixel, change the width to 2000 and change the height to 2000. I'm going to click on create new design. From here, you want to start to design your stickers. So I'll go to the Elements tab. I want to click on the element to search what sticker I want to design. Maybe I want a coffee mug to remind me to stay hydrated. If I go into the graphics, I don't see anything that jumps out to me. So I'm going to go to images and I'm going to select this image. I'm going to change the color of my background a bit. Let's make that gray. And I'm going to come into elements again. And let's close this out. And we'll go over to shapes. I will select the circle shape. I'm going to spread this circle to cover my cup. And let me go to position, then to layers, and move this circle behind the mug. I want to resize the cup further. I'm going to click on the circle and go into arrange to position it to the middle and to the center. Now I'm going to click on this. I'm going to manually position this. And now that we have this, let's come to this circle shape and want to change this color to white. I'm going to go over to my share here. Click on download. You want to download in a transparent background. So when you have it, you can have that image as a standard. Then you can click on download to download your sticker.